Embarking on a journey to achieve luscious, healthy, and shiny locks doesn't necessarily require a trip to the salon. Dive into the world of do-it-yourself, DIY, hair care hacks that not only nurture your mane but also add a radiant sheen. The first hack involves a homemade hair mask crafted from ingredients readily available in your kitchen. A mixture of mashed avocado, olive oil, and honey creates a nourishing blend that deeply conditions and moisturizes hair. Apply this mask from roots to tips, let it sit for 30 minutes, and then rinse for a glossy, revitalized finish. For those seeking to banish dullness and enhance shine, the second hack involves a DIY apple cider vinegar rinse. Dilute apple cider vinegar with water, pour it over your hair after shampooing, and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing thoroughly. This simple trick helps balance the hair's pH, removes product buildup, and leaves your locks with a glossy sheen. The third hack revolves around the magic of coconut oil. A pre-shampoo coconut oil treatment can do wonders for nourishing and repairing damaged hair. Apply warm coconut oil to your hair, leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or overnight for an intensive treatment, and then shampoo as usual. This hack not only adds shine but also improves overall hair health. Aloe vera, known for its soothing properties, takes the spotlight in the fourth hair care hack. Create a DIY aloe vera gel by extracting the gel from an aloe vera leaf and blending it until smooth. Apply this gel to your hair and scalp, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, and then rinse. Aloe vera's hydrating and healing properties contribute to a healthier scalp and shinier locks. Moving on to hack number 5, cold water is a surprisingly simple yet effective tool for enhancing shine. After conditioning, rinse your hair with cold water to seal the hair cuticles, promoting a smoother surface that reflects light, resulting in a shinier appearance. Hack number 6 involves the use of green tea for hair health. Brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and use it as a final rinse after shampooing. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, which can help improve the strength and shine of your hair. The seventh hack introduces the benefits of beer for hair. The proteins and B vitamins in beer can add shine and volume to your locks. Pour a flat beer over your hair after shampooing, leave it on for a few minutes, and then rinse thoroughly. Eighth on the list is the silk pillowcase hack. Switching to a silk pillowcase reduces friction on the hair, preventing breakage and frizz, and helps maintain a smoother, shinier appearance. Additionally, hack number 9 involves the use of a natural bristle brush. Brushing your hair with a boar bristle brush distributes natural oils from the scalp to the ends, promoting a healthy shine. Finally, the 10th DIY hair care hack centers around the incorporation of omega-3 fatty acids into your diet. Foods rich in omega-3s, such as fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, contribute to overall hair health and shine from within. In conclusion, DIY hair care hacks offer a treasure trove of natural remedies to achieve and maintain healthy, shiny locks. From nourishing masks and vinegar rinses to the simplicity of cold water and silk pillowcases, these hacks provide accessible and cost-effective solutions for anyone looking to elevate their hair care routine. Embrace these tips, and you'll discover that the path to radiant, glossy hair is right at your fingertips.